kids. Are you ready for some counting fun? Today we'll learn to count from 1 to 10 with the help of our friend Mr. Numbers.
Hi there, little explorers. Are you excited to learn counting? Let's get started. Great. Let's begin with the number 1. Here's the number 1, and here's one cute little teddy bear. That's right, one teddy bear. Now let's move on to the number 2. Look, it's the number 2, and we have 2 colorful balloons. Next up, it's the number 3. See? It's the number 3. And here we have 3 yummy ice creams. 3 delicious ice creams. You're doing great. Now let's discover the number 4. Here's the number 4, and we've got 4 colorful kites. 4 colorful kites. Keep it up. Look, it's the number 5, and we see 5 smiling suns. 5 happy suns. Now let's find out about the number 6. There's the number 6, and we've got 6 colorful fish. 6 colorful fish. You're getting really good at this. Let's explore the number 7 next. See? We have 7 playful puppies. 7 playful puppies. You're almost there. Now let's discover the number 8. Here's the number 8, and we see 8 colorful butterflies. 8 colorful butterflies. Fantastic. Next up, it's the number 9. Look, it's the number 9, and we've got 9 shiny stars. 9 shiny stars. You're almost there. And finally, let's learn about the number 10. There's the number 10. And we have 10 colorful balloons. 10 colorful balloons. You did it. You've learned to count from 1 to 10. You've done an amazing job learning to count with Mr. Numbers. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be counting everything around you. See you next time for more learning fun.